You know how it's my present belief system, for whatever that is worth, that we are really here on earth for the spirit within us, of which we have no awareness, to evolve through all of our experiences, positive and negative, that we have. Which seems a rather ridiculously long way of doing things, but still that is what seems to be, from my present understanding, what happens. So there is the spirit which people say is within us. Now, I don't think it has to be within us. It could be anywhere, but somehow linked with us. I don't think it needs to be within our physical body as such. But it experiences whatever our physical body experiences, and always matures, evolves, progresses as a result of that. And I believe that this is all planned, determined, scripted before we are conceived, before the spirit enters us. Right? So if I see somebody, just think of a poor old lady in the nursing home. You say, what's the point of living? Why isn't she dead? Well, the reason she's not dead is that that condition that she's in is exactly what is necessary, exactly what has been planned, determined, scripted for the spirit within her to progress. And when the plan is completed, then, not a moment before or after, the old lady will die. So we are really, in a sense, vehicles to carry around this spirit which is evolving through what happens to us. I was meditating on this the other day, and the word came to mind, substrate. Now, a substrate is defined, some of the definitions are, a surface on which an organism grows, like a petri dish, for example. It's the material or substance on which an enzyme acts. Well, I thought of it this way. Maybe we are somehow like this substrate. Things that this organism, this spirit, is growing as a result of us being here, of what is happening to us. But we are only the substrate. And sometimes I get the image of a big sort of huge Russian man with all sort of Cossack uniform and so, and he's carrying around this huge samovar. Now, we are the samovar, but what matters is the tea inside. But you've got to have the samovar to have the tea, right? And we heat the samovar, and that is what the tea needs. But we are so unimportant in all of this. And we are just here in this incarnation for the spirit within us. So we are, in a sense, this substrate, this substance on which the organism, the spirit, grows. And that's all we are. So all this stuff that we rejoice in or complain about is absolutely nothing. We're just the petri dish. We're just the substrate. It's what's growing, as it were, on us and, in a sense, through us, through our experiences, which is what really matters.